In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Trello tasks with AI. We'll walk through how to turn your rough notes or ideas into a clear, structured task inside a Trello card, using the built-in AI writing assistant. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a messy brain dump to a polished task description with just a few clicks. First, open your Trello board in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the right workspace and looking at the board where you keep the project or list you're working on. This is important because the AI-generated content will be saved directly into the card you choose on this board. Next, click on the card you want to add a task to using AI. This might be an existing card where you've already been tracking a project, or a new card you've created just for this purpose. When you click on the card, it will open up in a larger view in the middle of your screen. Inside the card, look for the description field. Click into this area. If it's empty, you'll see a prompt letting you know you can start typing. If there's already some text there, you can either add below it or replace it, depending on what you want the AI to work with. Now, type in the information you want to turn into tasks. This could be a paragraph of notes, a rough outline, or a list of ideas that still feels unstructured. The clearer you are here, the better the AI can help. For example, you might describe what needs to be done, the goal of the task, and any key details like deadlines or important constraints. Once your text is in the description field, look for the AI writing assistant icon. It usually appears as a colorful circle near the description controls. Click on this icon to open the AI options. From the menu that appears, select Summarize Writing. This tells the AI to read what you've written and transform it into a concise, structured version ideal for a task description. Give it a moment to process. You'll then see a suggested version of your task. At this point, the AI has created a detailed task based on your input. Review the generated content to make sure it reflects what you had in mind. You can adjust your original text and rerun it if needed. When you're happy with the AI suggestion, click on Insert. The generated task description will be placed directly into the card's description field, ready for you to save and use.